Okay, got a big parrotfish. I mean a monster.
Don't let him bite you because the hook's right there.
No, set him in the bottom of the boat. There we go. You gotta give it some line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can flip him out of the net.
I was going to put him back in with the net.
Yeah, I'll get him back in. Okay. I don't know how this happened. Got his fin, of all things. Thought I had a whopper. Okay, he's loose. None the worse for the wear. Man, I wouldn't want my finger in his mouth. There you go. Look at that mouth. The parrotfish are biting today. Okay, he's going back. See you later.